Here we have a story problem with three unknowns, and we need to solve for each of the unknowns. And we'll do that by representing the unknowns as an expression of one of the other unknowns. So we can label these unknowns. The total text messages is 137. And we can label this as D for Dale, the number that he sent. And M for Melissa, the number of text messages that she sent, and then H for Hans. So if we look to see what they give us, usually, again, most of the time, and especially in a math word problem, the important information is going to have the numbers by them. So Dale sent 4 times as many as Melissa. So if we represent D as number of text Dale sent, and M is the number of texts that Melissa sent, and H is the number of texts that Hans sent. Well, we can represent D. Basically what we would say is D plus M plus H, the number that Dale sent, plus the number that Melissa sent, plus the number that Hans sent, is equal to a total of 137. Well, we have 3 unknowns there in one equation. We can't solve for any of them. But if we represent all of these in terms of what they give us here, so Dale sent 4 times as many as Melissa, we can write an expression that D is equal to 4 times what Melissa sent, so 4M. And then also it says that Hans sent 7 fewer than Melissa, so 7 Melissa minus 7 is what Hans sent. So now we have both D and H written in terms of M, or expressed in terms of M. And now we can substitute this expression and term in for the other variables. So we'll replace D with 4M. So now we'll have 4M plus M plus H, which is now going to be M minus 7 is equal to 137. And in this way, we have one variable, and we can solve for M, and then plug that value back in order to solve for D and for H. So we just combine like terms. 4M plus M is 5M plus another M is 6M minus 7 equals 137. And then we would use opposite operations, add 7 to both sides. Getting a little squished here, but so we'll move this way. 6M after these cancel is equal to 144. And then we would divide both sides by 6. And that gives us 24. Check my work. 6 times 4, 4, carry the 2 is 144. So Melissa sent 24 texts, and then we can plug this back in to solve for D and H. So D is equal to 4 times M, which is 24. So that is equal to 6 carry the 1, 96. And then H, we can solve for H by plugging back in 24 minus 7, and that is equal to 17. So in the end, Dale sent 96, Melissa sent 24, and Hans sent 17.